Hey guys, Chicken Flag RC here, and today I'm going to be doing an upgrade for my Savage Flux. And first of all, the reason I am not doing anything with the Savage right now is because of that. It's not waterproof yet. I might get the Mama Monster V2 eventually, probably not this year, but anyway, for this upgrade, you're going to need some 3mm by 4.5 screws, 4.5 millimeters, sorry, 3/32 drill bit, a screwdriver, and a drill. And what we're going to be doing here is we're going to replace these two screws, this one and this one, on the bumper with these nails, because on the front side of this, those screws broke off and the head of the screw was over here and the rest of the screw is inside here, so you can't get that screw out. So now I can't attach this bumper, and yeah, and these nails are stronger, so we're gonna be doing that. And yeah, so basically what you're gonna do is remove these two screws, drill a hole through with the 3/32 drill bit, and it's gonna come out the back, and you're gonna put the nail through and then fold the end down, and I'll show you how to do that.